In this video, I'll be showing you how to use spell check. So to use spell check, head over and select the text box. Once selected, head over to edit at the top here and go down to spelling. Choose check spelling. A dialog box will appear and it highlights the word you're changing in black. The suggested correction will be down here and it will show you the word it's been changed to. So just choose the word and then once chosen, head over to the right side and click change. It will move you on to the next word automatically, which is quick, and just do the same thing. For me it's jumped, so just do the same thing again. And once you've done that, your sentence should be looking like this, all correct. However, in this instance, SoloPress is my company name and it's not actually in the dictionary, so I don't want it to correct this word. So for future reference, just head to dictionary down here and you can add your word to your dictionary on the right side, and next time SoloPress is included in a sentence, it will just skip past it because it knows that that word is a word I actually want to use. So just click done, and sentence should be fine and everything should be clear and correct. But let's say you like the red underlines under your incorrect words, so let's just head back. So my sentence is incorrect again, so if I head over to edit, go down to spelling and turn on dynamic spelling, it will underline incorrect words with a red underline like this, like a squiggly red underline, and you can customize that red underline. If I head over to InDesign at the top here, go down to preferences, then go down to spelling, and it will give me a bunch of options here to change what the underline does. For repeated words, I can make it blue, and for uncapitalized words, I can make it magenta. So that's a pretty useful customization you can do. So yeah, I recommend doing that. And in spelling, you can choose what words it finds. So if I don't want it to find repeated words, I can just untick that and it won't highlight them for me. So yeah, that's a good thing to do. Also, with dynamic spelling enabled, is a much quicker and easier way to correct a spelling mistake. All you have to do is hover over the spelling mistake, a word with a red underline, right click and you'll get a list of words like this to choose from. So once you choose the word, the red underline will just disappear, meaning the word's correct. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you.